divide 124 by 5 in long division method. So 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 4 and it is 24. So 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 4. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 124 divided by 5 is 24.8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.